spread of coronavirus is accelerating.
现在还是有出现传染的这个现象。
We're seeing false and misleading information that's kind of spreading.
医疗人员和防疫物资的紧张仍然是武汉
And unprecedented quarantine. Wuhan and central China and nearby cities in lockdown.
Bangladesh is also under the attack of deadly coronavirus. We have identified 3 patients. I'm giving you the basic information about them. 2 are men and a woman.
Dhaka is under lockdown.
The government has announced the closure of all educational institutions across the country till 31st of March to avoid health risks posed by coronavirus.
When the deadly COVID-19 pandemic caused severe crisis everywhere and the overall health of public was in danger, the field members along with the employees from all departments of Family Planning Association of Bangladesh, FPAB, not locking themselves at home, came forward to shoulder the responsibility to serve the people. Attention please, there is no substitute for awareness. Wear a mask and clean your hands properly. Campaign by Family Planning Association of Bangladesh, FPAB.
During COVID-19, FPAB provided us with hand sanitizer, mask, and many other protective items which aided us immensely that we couldn't afford with money. They made us highly aware. FPAB during COVID-19 helped us a lot. Their field workers came to us and gave us birth control pills, condoms, and other such items. That's why we didn't need to go outside to buy those items at that time. We received everything staying at home. FPAB helped us greatly.
Due to COVID-19 pandemic, people had to accept confinement and various forms of physical and mental difficulties were seen among people. Moreover, sexual and reproductive health services for adolescents and pregnant women were faced with grave danger. Against these backdrops, this project is funded by Global Affairs Canada and is being carried out by FPAB, where the health protection of pregnant women has utmost importance.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How can I help you? Yes, how can I help you?
আমার বোনের 5 মাসের প্রেগন্যান্সি চলতেছে এন্ড এই সময়
Violence against women also got escalated in Bangladesh like other parts of the world during this COVID-19 pandemic. That's why counselors of FPAB, through an online service, stood beside the victims of violence.
During this COVID-19 pandemic, like other areas of the world, violence towards women is soaring up in Bangladesh. We get many calls every day. We are offering the victims telephone counseling. We try our best to provide them with effective solutions. We have helped many women financially through the GAC project, and for the legal assistance, we have referred them to the proper authorities.
Under the GSC project, taking support from NGO and the government, we have executed our program in a coordinated way, and in doing so, the health protective equipment which we received during COVID-19 pandemic played a pivotal role. During COVID-19, through the GSC project, Family Planning Association of Bangladesh was involved with our divisional programs, along with all other activities, to carry out our birth control program, online counseling service, delivery, and the diverse sides of our family planning methods, especially the clinical activities, Family Planning Association of Bangladesh is working efficiently and relentlessly.
বেশ ভালোভাবে আমাদের সাথে কাজ করে যাচ্ছে।
COVID-19 pandemic has swept the whole world. During this time, Family Planning Association of Bangladesh, being financed by our donor organization, is running some projects in all districts. One of the significant projects among them is securing access to SRH information and service during COVID-19, and it is funded by Global Affairs Canada. We have been carrying out the project since August 2020 in all districts to ensure reproductive health service. Through the GAC project, we have implemented several initiatives. One of the initiatives was hotline service. Therefore, to maintain adolescent services, we have run various online sessions with the GAC project's financial assistance. Dear participants, I welcome all of you to today's new session.
During the COVID-19 pandemic, with a view to providing services to people who are stuck at home, this digital health service project, funded by Global Affairs Canada, is being implemented in every branch of FPAB. In this project, adolescent health protection is being given the most importance. Adolescents are being trained and instructed about the comprehensive sexual education, youth-friendly service, and youth protection policy through online sessions. In every lively session, numerous sexual and reproductive health protection topics are discussed with enormous importance.
Basically, through webinars, we are presenting the issues regarding SRHR to our dear learners so that they can be benefited from the sessions like they used to be before the pandemic.
The way I'm being helped by the FPAB online sessions, I want my friends and people around me to be so. During this COVID-19 pandemic, there are 2 mobile numbers in operation in our 21 clinics for counseling and consulting, respectively. Our clients are calling us regularly. The number of calls is constantly increasing. We've received 26,077 calls in the last 4 months. And based on those calls, we are making follow-up calls. Our clients are pleased as they get these services staying at home.
There are medical laboratories equipped with the leading-edge technology and expert medical technologists for the accurate diagnosis of patients' diseases. All clinics of FPAB also offer medical test facilities at a low cost. Family Planning Association of Bangladesh, FPAB, has extended their helping hands towards all people even during various disasters and adversities. They are marching forward with a vision to taking health services to everyone's doorstep in Bangladesh.